Good girl. Come on, honey. Get that ducky. Get that ducky. Come on. Maddie. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Are you distracted now? You're not going to get the ducky? Well, come here. Come on. Keep going. You're almost there. A little closer. Yay! Yay, good job! Come on, why don't you keep coming to Mommy? Hi, honey. Hi, honey. That's a big girl. Look at you. Look at you, my little inchworm. Hi. Come on. Come on. Did you hear your sissy? Get it? Good job. Good job, big girl. Yay! Yay! Good job. Good job, honey. You're such a big girl. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hi, honey. Okay, I guess Mommy doesn't need 3 minutes if you playing on the floor, huh? Yeah, I could just let it go all day. Hi, look at that drool. Ew, look at that drool. Love you. Love you. Here, you want the ducky? That's a good ducky.